Sometimes, cables need to be run underground in order to connect your home to the internet. Once the cable is run, our construction crews will use cold patch to temporarily fix the road or sidewalk. First, the crew fills back in any holes they have made. This is sometimes aided by skid steer or a small tractor. Next, the dirt from the hole is compressed. This is to ensure the patch doesn't shift by pushing out any air pockets. Once the dirt is compacted, a layer of cold patch material is added to the hole. Cold patch is unique because it doesn't require any high-tech equipment, mixing, or heating, hence the name cold patch. You just add the cold patch material to a hole and compact it down. The construction crew uses various tools to ensure the cold patch is flat and level with the surrounding concrete or asphalt. After the cold patch is complete, the crew uses a power washer on the surrounding street and sidewalk to clean the area. A vacuum is employed so local drains do not get clogged with mud and debris. The cold patch and markings are temporary. The entire concrete flag will be replaced and the water-soluble markings will wash away over time.